Hey, I'm Mo, and I've lost over 140 pounds in under 6 months. And it all started when I stopped fighting my cravings, actually, and started understanding why I got them. Now, if you're craving junk food all the time, it's not lack of willpower, it's just your body asking you for help. So, let me show you what those cravings really mean. So, make sure you're also subscribed to the channel so you do not miss actual weight loss support, as we do with hundreds of our clients right now. And collectively, people are losing thousands of pounds a month using our programs. And it's just so beautiful, changing the world person by person. So if you're struggling, make sure you're subscribed. We want to help you. We want to get you on the right track. Now let's get into this video. So let's break down what some of the items that you could be craving are, and then the cause for them. So now the first one, and this happens to me all the time, it's actually consistent, is that I'm always craving chocolate. Now, this is usually means that my body is low on magnesium, or I might just be stressed out. So my solution there is to just try some dark chocolate, specifically the darkest chocolate you can, because then it has no carbohydrates, or pumpkin seeds, or even just some leafy greens, because that magnesium will really, really help. Another thing is if you're craving salty snacks. Now, this one's interesting, but it's really easy to fix. And it's just probably because you're dehydrated or you're low on electrolytes, right? Which is very, very important to have, specifically if you're doing fast. So the solution there, just drink as much water as you can. Now, don't overdrink. Don't just be chugging a gallon because you're told, just drink when you're thirsty. When you start craving the salty snacks, just drink some water, right? You can sip some bone broth, and that also does work while you're fasting, or just eat potassium-rich veggies. Right. And another thing, too, you could just take some pink Himalayan salt and actually just lick some pink Himalayan salt. We have a lot of our clients do this on the home coaching, and in the retreat, we all take some salt every day together. It's just part of the journey. It's a lot of fun. Now, this one's really, really tough for some, but if you're craving fast food, this one's a little different, but it could be because of one fatigue, could be because you're really stressed, or it could be that there's a lot of nutrition deficiencies. So the best way to fix that is just to really, really increase your protein and your fiber. And hopefully a solid protein plus fiber meal will start to satisfy you better. And then you'll be in a fat burning mode, right? Because if you are craving fast food, you're probably insulin resistant and you're chasing more insulin, which does make it difficult. Now, some really, really quick general fixes. One, hydrate, right? Just stay hydrated. Now, you do not need to overhydrate. I emphasize this because there's a lot of people I know that tell everybody you need to drink a gallon. You don't need to do that. Just drink when you're thirsty. Your body understands. So just hydrate yourself properly, right? Sleep 6, 7, 8, 9 hours a day, just what your body needs. And if you can live a life where you don't use an alarm, that's best for you, because then your body is deciding how much time it truly needs to sleep, right? And then balance your macros. So how you're managing your ingredients with your macros. So how much food you're consuming in a day. And then lastly, try to track with a smart scale, or maybe like a glucose monitor or ketone monitor. And this will help you stop a lot of these cravings before they actually hit. Now, if you want to eliminate cravings with us and lose 5 to 10 pounds in just 2 weeks, you can just join our online coaching program. We literally give you personalized macro-based meal plans. We give you one-on-one expert support that's dedicated to you. We send you some smart tech, like a smart scale and a glucose or a ketone monitor, that's going to help us determine how the ingredients are reacting in your body, because everybody's body is different. And the best part for us is there is no exercise required, and there's no calorie counting. Now, you can book a free consultation below. We also do the retreats. Those are very, very sparing. We do about 4 a year right now. So also, again, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'll add you on our wait list. And then the next retreat we have, we'll invite you over. On top of that, we are still doing the giveaway. So use that to your advantage. Money's a bit of an issue. We are doing a giveaway where every month we give one free customer a free home coaching. And we have 100% success rate on all of our customers this year. And I'm really, really proud to say that. And I want to thank the customers for the work and effort they put in with us. It means the world to me to watch this happen. And the whole mission of this business is to help millions of people shed hopefully billions of pounds, because we know how difficult weight loss is. We know how difficult it is to live overweight. So we really just want you to get started on your journey. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If this helped, hit a like, drop your worst cravings in the comment. I'm really actually interested. And then follow for more science-backed tips. I'll see you guys on your weight loss journey.